Franklin, and we want you to find yourself at Cabrini.
Mother Cabrini here. I know what you're saying. I look pretty good for having started my ministry to serve young children right here on these grounds over 100 years ago. I founded this school so my girls could have a place to strengthen their faith and develop into fierce young women who can go out and make a real change in this crazy world. And I'm still around and spry as ever.
We offer many ways to connect with your faith. Monthly masses, communion, adoration, the living rosary, May crowning, senior ring mass, and baccalaureate mass are all part of Cabrini's spiritual life. We live it and we love it. Peace be with you.
As a part of our faith, we believe in serving our community and giving back. Each of our students complete a minimum of 120 hours of volunteer community service prior to graduation. And last year, we completed a whopping 24,400 hours of service.
I'm one proud mama.
Looks like they found their faith, y'all, and you can too. But what is faith if you don't have friends to share and celebrate it with? At Cabrini, our girls make friends that feel more like sisters. Love you girls so much.
We have over 40 co-curricular activities and athletic teams, and 7 student athletes from the class of 2020 continues their athletic careers at the collegiate level. These girls are killing it.
I'm a senior.
And I'm a pre-freshman.
I support her.
And she supports me.
And we all support each other here. You're my BFF.
No, you're my BFF.
Hola, mis chicas.
Hola, chicas.
We keep our class sizes small and intimate so that each teacher will get to know their students on a personal level. Todas las chicas que estudian español y francés son fenomenales y muy inteligentes.
Getting these girls hyped and encouraging them to do the things they love to do together.
That's right. Our school and our teachers provide so many amazing opportunities for us to learn and connect. We get to choose from things like
Fishing. Kayaking.
Golf.
Lunch with the president.
Birthdays with the principal.
cooking club,
Knitting.
senior hat day, future medical professionals, fine arts,
strength and conditioning.
senior countdown, 3, 2, 1.
I'd say they found some friends, wouldn't you? Now that you've got your faith in your friends, it's time to focus on the future.
Geniuses are created here daily through dual enrollment and AP courses before even stepping foot onto a college campus.
Our student courses are selected with student input and consider each student's ability and talent. You learn what interests you while utilizing the latest and greatest in technology-enhanced instruction, just as it should be.
Teachers always make themselves available to students for one-on-one assistance. Coffee break.
We receive so much support and guidance here that our graduating class of 2020 received $11.7 million in college scholarships and grants, and were accepted into more than 85 different colleges and universities.
Boom, future found. We really have it all at Cabrini, and we want you to have it all too. Faith, friendships, bright, successful futures. So join us. We want you to find yourself at Cabrini.